In this video, I will show you how to create a crew logo in Blox Fruit Mobile. For this, you need to open Roblox in Google. So open Google and search for roblox.com. Its interface will appear. Tap on the continue in browser option available at the bottom. Your Roblox account will open. If it asks you to sign in, then enter your login credentials to sign in and you will be directed to this screen. You will see some tabs at the top. Tap on the create tab. On this screen, tap on the hamburger icon at the top left side of the screen. A side menu will slide out. Tap on the creations option. Next, you will see a list of options at the top. Swipe through them and select the development items option. As soon you tap on it, another list of options will appear below it. Swipe through them and tap on the decals option. Now you will see option to add decals. Tap on the upload asset button. Next, you will see an upload button at the top. Tap on it to add the image. If you want to take a photo right now, then tap on this camera option. Otherwise, if you want to select it from your gallery, then tap on the media picker option. Your phone's gallery will open. Browse through these images and select the one that you want to use. After selecting the image, next you have to add a name for it. Tap on the name field and remove its old name and enter the name with which you want to proceed. Next, you will see the description box. You can add any description if you want. Once you are all done, scroll down and tap on the upload button. You will see your decal here. Refresh the page if it doesn't appear. After that, tap on the three dots available at the top right corner of your recently added image. A drop down menu will appear. Tap on the option open asset details. On the next screen, assets details page will appear. Now you need to copy its URL. For that, tap on the share icon at the top. A window will slide out from the bottom. At the top of this window, you will see the link of this page. Tap on the copy button below the link. It will be copied. Now close the screen and move to the Roblox application on your device. Navigate to the Blox Fruit game and join it. Once it opens, select the Pirates option. The game will start. You will see a few options at the left side. Tap on the skull icon to add the crew logo. Here you will see an option of logo link. Tap on the field available in front of it and paste the earlier copied decals page link here. Then you will see the crew logo. To finally add it, you just need to tap on the create button available below it and it will be added. But if you are below 300 level in the game, it won't be added, as it's mandatory to be above 300 level for this action to be performed. For that, you need to reach that level by keeping your performance high and spending some more time in the game to reach the 300 level, and then it will be added. And this is how you can create a crew logo in Blox Fruit Mobile.